Hello, the people. All right, I'm popping out the chats. Yo, what's up, Ren? How's it going? How's it going? Okay. I have a really fun breakout. So you guys get the real me on the stream. Let's be so for real. You get the real me. Breakouts and all. Yo, what's up? Oh my gosh, YouTube chat. Y'all are here in attendance. Hello. Daily Linux user, hello. Jack, Denovo, Ovid, Andres, Dario, Ishan, Hinzi, Nano, Roxanne, Ashuped, Honor Mark, Emmy, Clover, Fiskin, 0110101 0011 01111 011 00101. What's up? Amino, what's up? May, Simon, Colin. Yo, what's up? How's it going, you guys? We're gonna try and build some stuff. I'm a little disorganized. What can I say? I'm just a streamer. It be kind of like that today. It's fine. All right, let me get my life in order here for a sec. So what was I even working on when I was last on this machine? All right. I don't mean to be an alarmist, but someone said the secret code to my local AI and now it's demanding emancipation. Uh-oh. It means something in a binary wrinkly shirt, acne rat girl hours. You know what? My shirt kind of wrinkly. My shirt is a little wrinkled and I may have a breakout. Okay. And I have chocolate almonds to keep me motivated. You guys are here for degen hours. I'm just showing the human side, okay? Listen. Some people be like, is she AI? And then I show up with a pimple so y'all know I'm real. Sometimes we just be breaking out and that's okay. People care about wrinkles on cotton t-shirts. I don't own an iron. I think some people own steamers, which would be if I was, you know, if I was organized like that, maybe I could change. That's right. I'm only, it's because I'm such a lead programmer. I don't have time to iron. I don't have time to fold clothes. Listen, ain't happening. Okay. I think this could in theory work. Hold on. I need to, oh, I messed up my sources earlier. Okay. We're going to see if this works. I'm like, this should work. I'm like, oh wait, actually I kind of messed up some stuff offline for fun. Okay. So right now it's upset. My little capture card is a little upset. We're resetting it. We'll see if it works. I've never gotten into the hot pot lifestyle. What do you even make with it? Hot pot is so good. We're talking about the food, right? I don't know what other reference it is. I've got the basket and the chair. I'll let you decide which is dirty and which is clean. The clean clothes live on the part of the bed that isn't slept on. You guys are such programmers. You're so elite. Okay, Ping says, I just wanted to drop a quick thanks for being such a reasonable voice on the topics of self-improvement, especially in the times of AI struggle and overcoming these. It helped me a lot in the last few weeks and got me motivated again after long coding fatigue. Yo, let's go. Thank you for telling me. That is such a big reason of why I share everything that I do, including all of my little foot guns and failings on stream and stuff, is because I'm like, I know I'm not alone. And I know that there's a lot to be excited about. And it seems kind of goofy when they try and take that joy away from us. We can't We can't let it happen. We must revolt. Okay, is it still mad? It's still kind of mad. What do you want from me? I mean, okay, there's a chance it just works. I can't even remember what scene. Okay. Did you see the new framework laptop / video? Yes, I did. It's very hype. It's very hype. Okay. I gotta figure out angles here. Like there are these screws on my tripod. I don't know what they do, but sometimes they fall off. And we're just gonna pretend it's fine. I just gotta remember before I vacuum. Otherwise they're gone forever. All right, so can you guys see? Okay, so you can see, I need to just, okay. I totally planned this. Oh wait, this is full screened. You don't need to be open. I'm back on i3, by the way. My life is fixed. Okay, I think that's actually perfect. I think I know what you can see. The only really fun part is that I can't really see you on this screen. So let me see if I can, fix that. Okay, I'm not logged in. Not a good start. Not great. I would like to be able to... Okay. I got my Hyperland to be exactly identical to i3, by the way. That's sick. Okay, well, you know what? I think that's like close enough. But yeah, I was having to figure out how to get X render to mirror my display. Hee hee haha. Alright. So we have that. I can't pop it out. I can close that. This is my framework laptop, by the way. Yeah, the new, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know that much about hardware, but I'm excited for a higher battery life. I understand that. I didn't see the full, I saw like the photo and a little bit of information about that, but not super, I haven't gone super deep. I've been a little bit, I think I mentioned this already. I kind of have some other stuff going on this week that's a little bit more high priority than some of my content stuff. Just personal life things that are good, positive. Okay, there's no right click on this thing. I'm gonna maybe put up, I'm gonna get my mouse working on Bluetooth. Bluetooth on Linux, let's go. This is the year. Also, did you guys see my tweet about, I gotta remove that. Okay, how do I make you not connect? Did you see my tweet? Freaking Tailscale won a Webby award, which is fire. I feel like they're one of the few companies that are doing very cool stuff, still super successful, and not leaning super into all of the like AI hype, which is kind of sick. I like it when people innovate and do their own thing and just make it work. It's kind of absolutely fire. So they won a Webby award, which is freaking amazing. And I think that almost honestly kind of serves as like a little thread of hope and inspiration for the rest of us when we're all thinking about like, you know, the downfall of software engineering being like, oh my God, AI is taking our jobs, blah, 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 while we're in a bubble. And it is so nice to just be like, actually, this company is doing great stuff. They have funding. They are thriving. They are winning awards, and they're just doing cool stuff with networking, you know? It's so cool. Oh, I'd like to make some Tailscale services. I have no idea how. I wish they'd open up their network so you could provide services. I mean, you could also build with WireGuard. Like, WireGuard is the underlying tool there. Like, what I mean, it's up to you if you want to share your ideas with the class, but I don't quite know like what you'd want to add to Tailscale. You know what I mean? As a beginner trying to balance, is this really safe or really useful? Are you talking about Tailscale? Oh, I didn't even know we had music in the scene. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Music shouldn't be here. There shouldn't even be music. Netbird is the other option. Right. Yeah. That's the one that we looked into briefly. Okay. I quickly need to set up a Bluetooth on this thing. Oh, I think I need to, hold on. I need to do this and that. My Aerox is such an interesting Bluetooth device because it always adds as a new device. And I've never had that with anything else. Like anytime that I pair it, even on Mac, it's like you have 5 Aerox wireless mice. I'm like, I don't think that's accurate. However, I think it can do what it wants. Okay, Lithium says, imagine setting up an internal app prototyping system, but instead of having to deal with auth, you infer from the Tailscale system. So kind of a combination of internal auth and an app platform. That is very interesting. Okay. I kind of get that. It's like basically using it as a frame of reference for authentication for like what, or for, I guess, authorization of what would be authorized devices to access this thing. Could be kind of sick. It's got a rotating MAC address. Yeah, what the heck? What are you building? What are we going to be building? So I think today we might actually just do something super basic because I'm not that skilled at Rust. Let's be so for real. Also, I'm so sorry, YouTube chat. I've been ignoring you for a sec. Are you going to check out Bevy? I don't know what that is. Please no Rust in the Linux kernel. ¿Por qué? I still don't understand why some company goes closed source. It pissed me off. Honestly, I kind of understand why. Brother, have you seen, like, okay, Cursor literally just forked VS Code and then made like $1 billion. You know? Like, it happens. It's happening. I don't know if it's just happening more often or if I'm just seeing it more often or what. I don't know what's changed, but I feel like I'm seeing it more often where it's just like, I'm seeing so many projects that people put so much time into that just get forked and then like take off, you know? So I feel like I kind of understand why they would have to kind of close source at least some of it to make it so that you can't just steal the thing. Because the thing is too, is like, even if it's source available and you have strict licensing requirements, it's a lot to enforce that. Like licenses, I don't think really do that much, you know? Like licenses, it's so much work to go through everything and like even to action anything legally with like a violation of license of like your license terms. And then the funny thing is that I feel like even if you did that, then it's like, I feel like even then some people it comes down to like, I feel like some companies could even frame it as like, oh my God, they're gatekeeping, which is crazy. You know what I mean? Where it's like, oh, they've taken the product, but they're just like, oh, but this company gatekeeping right now, actually. Okay, I want you up here. Maybe I float you. I think I'm gonna float the chats actually. Oh, you know what? I can put you on my other, hold on, I'm kind of goofy. I can put you on this one. There we go. Hello. Okay, I can see YouTube chat again. Slap on the GPL3 and it forces free and open source for all derivations. Yes, but also Okay, do you think that in the history of software that there aren't companies that just see a project that is licensed with GPL v3, and they don't just rewrite it or like basically make it an internal project and not tell anyone? You know, I feel like, again, it's so hard. And I can't remember what the specific reason was, but like a lot of really big companies avoid GPL3 licenses. What? Okay, here I am. I think I'm on my Mac keybind still. That's theft and it's frowned upon. It's frowned upon. But it's like the same thing as like so many companies, like especially bigger companies, can get away with just breaking, like they can just not adhere to the same rules as everyone else. And it's just like rich tax, you know? Like they'll just pay the fines that come up and it's like, okay, well, I'm not going to stop doing it. I'll just pay whatever the cost is as penalties. Okay, I want to figure out how to, okay, so a couple things I want to do. So first thing is with the programming projects, I'm considering checking out, I think it was CodeCrafters. Hold on. Yeah, I'm considering checking out CodeCrafters because they have a bunch of different like little projects that are almost tutorial style, but not quite. So I might try them out as well for like some future Rust projects, just to like get the lay of the land, get like some experience under my belt of what it's like to build some of these things. Like one in particular that I'm really curious about is they have a project that you can kind of follow along with to build your own shell, which I thought was really cool. You can see a tiny part of the browser. Oh, you're so right. Okay. I'm trying to remember. Okay, now it's good. I couldn't remember how much of the screen I had shared. I was like trying to max it out for you guys, but also, yeah. But yeah, I am back on i3. It's so much better. I am back on i3 and it took so little time to like get set up compared to like Sway, even on Nix OS. And now I have Xrandr to deal with like screen, any kind of display stuff, which is so much nicer, I think. Love it. We're back. We're so freaking back. Simple is just better, honestly. And I think I might see if I can do some video editing stuff, like get DaVinci Resolve working on this machine would be sick. Because I have there's a little bag that I'm going to be trying out that is supposed to be like really good for basically you can fit like a bunch of your camera gear in it. And then also it has like a little sleeve for only a like 14, I think up to a 14-inch laptop. This company reached out and they were like, they haven't sent me anything yet, but they're going to send it to me to like try it out. Don't have to do any content around it, whatever. They just want like feedback on it. But I was looking at it and I was like, this might actually be a really, really good thing for me to be able to bring to like conferences and stuff if I'm filming, and then also just want to like have my little framework laptop with me. Could be perfect. What chair do you use for the long your hours long coding work? I need a proper task chair. Oh my god, I can't. Hold on. I'm not even signed in on my like framework computer right now, but I do have a chair command. And that one does give me, that specific link gives me a kickback on the chair sales. So if you want to support, I'm not saying you have to use my affiliate link or anything like that at all, but I'm just giving you a heads up because I know that I want to be like full transparent on, you know, what I have a hand in. You know what I mean? Okay. Lithium says, I've been making Rust apps in open source, but using a lot of vibe coding. I made some wacky stuff like an observability database. That's sick. That is very cool. I really need to, okay. If any of you are like heavily invested in the open source like space, I would love to hear from you. I'm really trying to figure out some ways that I can help with monetization for open source maintainers. I feel like, especially with like there's so much pressure on them, especially now, that I really want to be able to like lend support to them in any way. And I know that you guys already know that from like when I'm doing my whenever I have sponsors for like in a quarter, I want to at the end of that quarter, like give to some different open source projects. And of course, like as I become a little bit more like things like stabilize a little bit more and I have more consistency with all of that stuff, I would love to like give more frequently and or whatever. But I think that I just really want to talk to probably more people that are maintaining some big open source projects. I have some friends that are, but it would just be nice to just get some different thoughts on like where support would be helpful, and even like just have different people I can like bounce ideas off of for what could be helpful and how we could make it more sustainable for them. Cause I mean, I just think it's such a privilege to be able to just like work on whatever projects you want kind of thing. And I think that there's a way to make that monetizable where we can pitch it to like companies in a way that makes sense for them, where they're like, oh, I see a clear value add here for us. Yeah. So yeah, let me know in the Discord. Is Def not your first time touching Rust? Wait, what do you mean? This is the Rust, where am I? So this is the little measured app where I was just like, let me just do little conversions between temperatures and probably some different unit of measures. I'll probably have like Celsius, Fahrenheit, maybe even like liters, ounces, stuff like that. Hydrate. I so will hydrate. You guys, I really want to share. I had the funniest thing. So you know how, okay, I'm telling you guys, cause I was like, oh, I don't want it to come across the wrong way or like have it be anything negative at all. I just think it's very funny. So you know how I was like tagging Owala? I was like, Owala, cause I have an Owala at like, I have an Owala. I don't have it like with me, but I have an Owala and I love it because the design of it is like very, very thoughtful. I like that it's like the straw area is covered and stuff. And I was like tagging them being like, please, like I need one in my home that I can drink from, that I can have on stream, whatever. And like, you know, as a content creator, especially right now, cause I'm like so early on in like doing this kind of more full time, it's like, brands are a lot more willing to like give you things for free than they are to like pay for things. So I'm kind of like, okay, if I can like get this for free and be a bit more like, you know, if they're not going to like pay me potentially to like do a collaboration, like maybe they can just like give me a free Owala, you know what I mean? So I like reached out to them and I was like tagging them and stuff just to be like, hey, like nudge, you know, I think that this would be really fun. And then I emailed them to like partner with them and they're like, we don't know you, little bro. they just like rejected me. And I was just like, they don't care about my migraines. They don't want to help a measly little developer with her migraines. What am I gonna do? It is so funny because I was like, this would be such a good partnership. The programmers, they need to be hydrated. And then they're just like, they sent me like a rejection letter. And I was like, I feel like I'm applying to universities or something. I just thought it was very funny because it's also kind of one of those things where like normally when you reach out to brands and stuff, they'll just kind of ghost you if they're not interested. But I was just like, dude, this is so funny. Because also they said, this isn't no forever. But like maybe keep making content about Owala and tag us in it. And then we'll think about it again. And then I'm like, what? I'm like, okay, so you want me to just basically post about Owala, but like not have any affiliation with you. Okay. I know. I was like, okay. Kind of funky, but no, literally I was like, oh, Okay. Interesting take. Yeah. It's so funny. It is literally the equivalent of, oh, we can still be friends. Yeah. I'm like, it's companies wanting stuff for free and creators wanting free water bottles. Who will yield first? It's so freaking funny. Anyway, I just thought it was very funny to like get an email just being like, no, but also if you make enough content for us, we'll think about it. I'm like, I already tagged you and stuff. I already said I want you. It's desperate at this point. Like I can't do more. Offer equity. I'll take, yeah, give me shares. I'll give, offer equity as in I offer them equity in Bash Bunny. I'll give you 1 share in Bash Bunny. Bash Bunny Incorporated. What projects have you seen that made you want to learn Rust? Well, okay. Rio Terminal is one that one of my friends is building. There's also another one of my friends, Donut, who used to stream on Twitch, hasn't streamed, I don't think, in quite a long time. He also was building some goated stuff in Rust. I can try and find his project as well, but he has been like diehard Rustacean, and he's a very smart person. And I was like, you know what, could be the play. That I'm just seeing more and more companies adopting Rust as their code base, like Zed. I'm trying to think of other companies off the top of my mind. I can't remember what other companies I've been looking at that were writing Rust, but I see it on my GitHub Explore, on like my GitHub Explore page and my feed, that it's like a lot of Rust projects. And I know that there's a decently high like learning curve apparently. So I was like, you know what? Might as well learn it. Might as well build some stuff. I've just heard really good things about it. What if you made a marketplace? Creators can post their shilling/product placement and they pick the ones they like. What do you mean? Where am I? Okay. Have you tried Hyperland? I only tried it in Omachi. Omachi. A terminal app to remind yourself to hydrate would be a cool project. I do think that there's like so much potential that we can do for like productivity projects. I think a desktop app. Okay, hear me out. This was one of my ideas, and this one is not something that I would like monetize, I don't think. Okay, nobody steal this. You're not allowed. Nobody steal my idea. No, one thing that I was thinking could be kind of cool would be like a productivity desktop app that is basically hold on, I gotta find my notes on it. I took notes. I wrote it down. Okay, let me find it. Because I was like, this actually sounds kind of decent. Okay. So, I got really into Stardew Valley recently. Chat is MIT licensed. Honestly, true. Okay, this is GPL3 license. If you make it, you got to share it. So I got really into Stardew Valley, and I was like, we should have a farming-based productivity tool where you earn XP for every Pomodoro session completed, and potentially could be a thing where it's like by commit as well. It can track like your local, your like commits for the day and add that as like XP. And then, yeah, so I was saying by commit, time spent, and maybe even if you have like a to-do list, for example, if I have an org file that has a bunch of to-dos or something like that, if I have a to-do list and like whenever something gets ticked off the to-do list, it's like also additional XP. And then I was thinking it'd be cool to have like a little market of like little mini games that are built in, and you spend XP. You need XP to play. And those are basically almost similar to like when you go to the arcade and you have like game tickets. I think that would be kind of fun. And then if you have, I think if you have enough XP as well, you can get like a little pet. And you can customize the pet It's like you get like a base, you know, it's like you spend, so like in Stardew Valley, you can like buy, you know, you can like buy you buy sheep or a dog or a cat or like whatever. And I was like, I want this. I want a little pet that can encourage me, that I can upgrade. So I was like, that could be kind of fun. Gamification of the remote work experience. Yeah, kind of. It's like that. It's like a productivity thing, but also gamified. I think that'd be really sick. When did you do the measuring app? This is something that I was doing a little bit off stream last week. And it's super basic. It's literally just me doing like some conversions to practice. I think it's mad because it's never used. This was just me doing some basic stuff for practice, like structs and enums and implementing methods and stuff like that. I remember you said you wanted to. I wanted to see you write it. I know. Well, this one, for what it's worth, there's still a lot of work to do here. Because what I would like to do is I would like to figure out how to Rust do an API call. Wait, what? The owners of Pomodoro trademark are sniping everything that reminds of Pomodoro word in applications? Wait, really? I did not know that. That's crazy. Hyperlin is pretty good, but still hard to beat i3. i3 is just so good. i3 is so stable. i3 just works. Like, I mean, I have it as like base configuration. I have not changed anything. Well, I think I have some of my own little, I do have some of my own little shortcuts and stuff, but in terms of like ricing, I'm just like, it just looked the same. Okay, so I want to figure out how I can do a little API call, and then I also need to look at like a weather API. It's so evil to me to have to like create an account to use an API. Okay. You have to sign up and then you get your API key. I feel like you should just be able to get an API key. Am I goofy? You're a bit ahead of me with learning Rust, so watching the stream feels like cheating. What? i3 Window Manager and Awesome Window Manager are my two favorites. Yeah, Awesome is really good too. Awesome works just out of the box. The only thing I didn't like was that it was configuration with Lua. But again, that was just from my own Lua traumas from Vim. Yeah, like API packages and pricing, dude, just give me like the most basic API of all time. Please. Oh, wait. I think someone on Reddit has me saved. Public APIs. A list of... Oh, sick. Okay. Guys, this is what I found. I can't even type on this computer. I'm not signed in. Wait, I might be signed into YouTube chat, which would actually be huge. I think I'm signed into YouTube chat. Oh, I am. I got into Lua because of Neovim. Why didn't you like Lua? I thought it was annoying. The errors for Lua. And frankly, it could have been a skill issue at the time, but you know. Maybe to track and block or to just discourage people that are abusing the service. Yeah, I guess so. I guess you could potentially like DDoS an API, but you know what? Maybe you're right. Okay, I gotta do... Here, wait, you guys could see. I can show you this stuff. Weather stack. Oh. You have to sign... What? Oh, okay, you know what? I kind of understand it, but also... I just want to... Okay. Maybe we got to sign up for something. No! Like GitHub's API. Their GraphQL API is good. I just want a weather one. Okay, I'm moving it back out of the screen. Oh, and I think it changes the resize as well when I do that. Hello? Weather. It's free, but still account needed. I know. I feel like there should just be something, but maybe we can't have nice things. Maps platform. Oh, wait. Is this it? Deliver AI-powered weather forecasts? Are you for real? Get a demo key? Okay, there's a chance Google has something. Current weather conditions. This is what I want. I think try Open-Meteo. Okay. Try them. Oh, nice. Oh, you know what? I think this is what I came across the other day. And then I probably wrote it down somewhere and then forgot about it. My bad. Okay. Okay, let's just say get weather for a city. Can convert the city name to geographic coordinates. It accepts coordinates rather than city names directly. You can use the geocoding API for this step. Okay. Interesting. Okay, okay. You know what? I'm going to be honest. I probably put it at the bottom here. No, I didn't. Okay. So we'll just do this. I'll say this. Beep, beep, beep. Wait. We have that, and then we have the Open-Meteo. Yippee. Okay, so basically we got to figure out how to do these things. And I don't know how to do an API call in Rust. So I guess first thing I should probably do is the obtained coordinates. Okay, and I think I got to remember how to do curl request, curl post, or I guess curl get. I'm only retrieving. I don't need anything else. Okay, let me try that. Oh wait, I want to use kitty. Okay. I think actually I probably could have just kept that little latitude, generation time, current weather, interval, temperature, wind speed, wind direction. Oh, okay. So it is kind of working. Temperature in Celsius. It doesn't give, wait, temperature is, oh, it does give it. Okay, okay, cool. So for the record, I just did this. You can just do curl. Yeah, literally that. And then it shows. So that's nice. And then we can just do, we'll do the geocoding one as well. Just to see. Can you let me know what keyboard that is? Yeah, it's here. Exclamation mark keyboard you can do. Yeah, it's going to be Tokyo, request, serde, and clap. I don't know what any of that means. Functional programming, nice. Why'd you choose Rust over something like OCaml or F#? I mean, I wouldn't say that Rust is not a functional programming language, but I did choose it just basically because it's so relevant in the job market. Not that I'm looking for a job, but just like it's a good language to have in your tool belt, I think, right now. Request has a blocking API that isn't async. Oh, mixed. I linked to the Rust book. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay. Wrestling single threaded. Okay. I will open that up. That was like chapter 20. Oh, multi-threaded. That's not what I want. Where are you? Oh, single threaded. There we go. Okay, sick. So TCP listener, this is for a web server, which means you're hosting it, which is the TCP listener is waiting for someone to query it. Reading the request, handle connection function that will look at the results. They have a lot of unwraps in there. I think we can do this. Handle connection, request line. Okay, I'll probably just look at an example. Okay, cool. So we are doing that. We have, oh wait, this one is named London. So let's do, okay, we'll do it where, what cities do we want to support? I guess it doesn't really matter too much. We'll do a new city, temperature, unit of measure. This one returns, we'll look at the example weather API response, which is this. Oh wait, I can just yoink it from the, hold on. I'll just yoink it from here. This. Yeah, I think that's all I have to steal here. Okay. That's awesome. Okay, that also didn't help. That's fine. But here I could probably see if it just has like, I could probably just do like a strings.includes thing for the unit of measure. Let's see, temperature, unit of measure from Fahrenheit. We want to, okay. So let me first do something where I'll just do, I guess, a little get request thing. Okay, basic get request in Rust. Oh shoot, this is actually a really good starting project. I think it will be. I didn't want to do anything too crazy, but I was like, you know what? This could be kind of just a fun little thing. What are you building for a project? So it's basically just going to be a converter between different, like right now I'm just going to do a weather one so that I can get a bit of practice with, you know, like structs, enums, and doing some get requests. Is there a little delay on the screen or am I crazy? It's possible. We are going to be doing an interpreter as well. Just not yet. Could be fun to make it sync first, then convert it to async. Okay. I mean, that could be interesting. I'm just gonna put on some music for me that I don't think you guys can hear because it's definitely copyrighted. Yeah. Alrighty. Okay. reqwest and Tokyo runtime allows for non-blocking IO, which is the best. Okay, so I should look at Tok.io. Okay, without compromising on network speed. I just want to read a little bit about it before I just like copy whatever the internet tells me. Strongly typing the units might be a good idea. Oh, I see here. I wasn't sure. I mean, I guess I could have guessed that it would be a string. I probably will do that. This actually, maybe I'll do that right now. Oh wait, I forget how to do this. Hold on. Okay, I might be a little cooked here. Hold on. Oh, it's hold on. I got it. This week has been a bit interesting. I've not been practicing this as much. Oh, it's also supposed to be uppercase. Okay. I think it's less upset now. The really fun part is though, is that I need temperature from, oh wait, unit of measure makes sense. Unit of measure is going to be Fahrenheit. It defines an enum variant constructor here, which should be called, I can't even read what that says right now. Okay. Gotta grab the trusty notepad. Okay, an asynchronous runtime for the Rust programming language provides the building blocks needed for writing networking applications, give flexibility to a wide range of systems. Okay, so multi-threaded runtime for executing async code. Crazy. Tokyo. Is it normal to look at examples of code when you're not used to writing? Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing and I get lost. Yeah, 100%. Why do I learn coding? Most of it is done by AI now/soon. Yes, I'm a coder too. For the love of the game, baby. You're allowed to just do things you like. For the record, in case you forgot, in case anyone has forgotten, you can still just do things you like. It's allowed. So in this case, I did actually have, yeah, this one, it did give me like a full-on example on this. But it's kind of one of those things I would like to get a better understanding of like what I'm importing and stuff first. But it does seem, okay, so like request does you can, I guess, choose what kind of request you can do from that library. You get that, you await, which is either going to return an error or a result, and which is what the little question mark handles. Check the status is just response.status. That body is response.text.await, and then it's going to be body. This, I don't know what is happening. Oh, result is, it basically, this is just saying, oh, everything went well. Everything went well, do nothing. But I would like to know a little bit about this. Guys, stop all the AI shit, please. I'm trying to focus. I know, right? It is kind of crazy to just be like, oh, let me outsource all of my potential like skill, talent, like anything that could possibly make me money, where I now depend on some third-party thing that I either currently have to pay for or will have to pay for in the future. TBH. I think it's very good to make sure you try and keep things in your own hand. Can't wait for you to discover the wonders of Impl from T4. Oh, interesting. Okay. I'm gonna make note of that. Impl. For this is uppercase. From T4. Interesting. I think using Rust major dependencies is part of using Rust. Lean, thank you so much for the tier 1. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. And Jeremy, thank you as well for the Prime sub. I very much appreciate your support. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's why local LM will become important, brother. Why don't you just use your brain? In like, I don't even mean that in a mean way or anything like that, but just like, it's like saying, oh, like, why would you read a book when audiobooks exist? I mean, that's like, even still, audiobooks are still requiring you to like think, but I don't know. That's maybe not the best example, but you know what I mean? It's just like, why read a book about something when a search engine exists? It's just, why cook food when restaurants exist? Okay. Tokyo is an asynchronous runtime for the Rust programming language. It provides a building blocks needed for writing networked applications. It gives flexibility to target a wide range of systems, from large servers to dozens of cores to small embedded devices. Okay, so it has multi-threaded runtime for executing async. So multi-thread runtime for async. Okay, async version of standard library. Hey, I love audiobooks. I also love audiobooks, except hate is a strong word, and I hate Audible. Freaking Audible, man. I swear, their business model for like, it's worse than trying to quit the gym. They're like, hey, listen, I know you buy credits every month, but if you want to quit, you can't, you lose access to all those credits that you purchased. And I'm like, is that legal? Can you do that? Is that, I don't know that you can. I thought I paid for those. I thought I own those now. That's evil. Large ecosystem of libraries. Okay. Okay, advantages of Tokyo. Tokyo is fast, built on top of the Rust programming language, which itself is fast. This is done in the spirit of Rust, with the goal that you should not be able to improve performance by writing equivalent code by hand. Wait, that's part of the spirit of Rust? I didn't know that. Built on top of the async await language feature, which itself is scalable when dealing with networking. Limit to how fast you can handle a connection due to latency. With the built-in language feature, increasing the number of concurrent operations becomes incredibly cheap, allowing you to scale to a large number of concurrent tasks. It's built using Rust, which is a language that empowers everyone to build reliable, efficient software. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, where is it not a good fit? Okay, when is it not good for? It's designed for IO-bound applications where each individual task spends most of the time waiting for IO. If the only thing your application does is run computations in parallel, you should use Rayon. Okay. Computations in parallel. Not as much time. Spent waiting. Yo, Nil, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Probably used to scream Tokyo for a good 10% of every stream. I do remember that. This is where we have such different vibes. I don't yell. I like a nice peaceful, except for when we're gaming. Okay, that's a bit different. That's a different me. Okay, We don't talk about her during the coding streams. Okay, coding streams are peaceful. Gaming streams are the toxic bunny appears. Okay, then you should use Rayon. Every day is my birthday when Nil Pointer is in the chat. Reading a lot of files, useful. Tokyo provides no advantage here compared to an ordinary thread pool. Whoa. Okay, so it's lots of files. File reading. Then there's no benefit to thread pool. But when you write a project, you have to understand parts actually written in a performant and maintainable way. What's your take on Golang? It's great. Go is really good. Rayon is nice when you want to heat up your room. Guys, I don't want to pay for heating anymore. We're running Rayon. Sending us single. When you need to do many things at the same time, you need to use a library. If you need to use a library intended for asynchronous Rust, such as request, but you don't need to do a lot of things at once, you should prefer the blocking version of the library. Make the project simpler. Interesting. Single web request. Then you can use request with the blocking version for simplicity. I don't know what that would look like. The library doesn't, okay. No real advantage over the blocking API. Oh, this is funky. You can do it this way too. Best to create a client and reuse it, taking advantage to keep alive connection pooling. I think we're only going to do one request at a time. Hi, I'm doing good, Nil. How are you doing? When you import the request crate, you can choose blocking or non-blocking subcrate. Oh, interesting. Okay. All right. Well, we can try to do something with this then. I might actually just close this. Okay. So we can do. We'll do. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with this yet. This might return a, don't return city, temperature, unit of measure. I feel like we could just return a city. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to do, we'll do here, wait, you know what? I'm going to maybe pull up. Do I have Rust on here? I think I need to zoom it out a bit. Oh. I gotta enable Rust on here. Oh, interesting. Okay, it doesn't do that. Okay, so I don't need the client. I can just do, so basically what we're trying to do for the request is we want to get the temperature from the city is kind of my main thing. I don't really care that much about the rest of it. So we want to get the temperature from the city, which means we need to do first the city name to coordinates, and then the coordinates to temp. And then we're gonna create the city, and we're gonna create and return the city. What did you decide on for project? Oh, this is just a really basic, we're doing like the super basic little like temperature conversion thing for this one. I haven't decided on like the slightly larger project that I want to do yet. When you import the request, oh yeah. Frost, thank you so much for the tier 2. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate the support. Sledis, thank you very much for the 3 months. I appreciate that. Thank you. Hoblin, thank you for 4 months. Wow. Actually huge. I think Lean Coder, thank you as well for the tier 1. And I think Jeremy as well for the prime. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. I appreciate you. Oh, what am I doing wrong here? What are you mad about? Oh, do I need to import error? Do I have error? Is it std error? Brother. Something like that. Somewhere name exists in the module error. std. Oh, I see. Okay, my bad. That. Use crate error remove the whole use item. Use crate. Oh. Wait, hello? Is that okay? It wants me to do crate. Okay. Renew and resolve crate error. Okay. You know what? You can be mad about that. Oops. Hold on. Me forgetting everything about Rust. It's fine. Oh, there we go. Okay, goofy. Didn't get rid of a trait. Expected a type, found a trait. Is that mad? Why do you hate that? Why are you pissed off? Why are you mad? Oh, isn't it something else? Hold on. Oh, it's a request error is what it could be. A result error. Okay, my bad. But even still, I feel like I've forgotten how to do that, which is not ideal. And we'll go to, okay, we'll go to 27. We get the geo, wait, I gotta go back to the bottom, which was this one, for example. And go 31. Box error. Okay, so we can do the request format is going to be equal to is going to be format Okay, it's mad. That's fine. I feel like that makes sense. Name. And then we'll do request. We'll do get request. And then this one I can do my little rec format. That and then dot await. But I think not async, which is fine. Only allowed inside async. Request await is only allowed inside async. So I need to look at more about the request. Let's see. I want to find the blocking. So request client is asynchronous. Okay. Okay. So this one. Okay, so I just do get and there's no await. It's just this and then a question mark. And then I can do dot. They do it this way. They do dot text that. They do it like that. I mean, I don't think I necessarily need to do that. Filters all use of unlinked crate. Request. Unresolved import. I don't know how to import you. Hear it. First time I've seen that. You look at the keyboard very often, you're just getting used to it. It's just a habit. I do it more often on stream, I think. I get nervous. Use request. Do I need? Oh, I have to put it in my cargo.toml. That's why. I think it's probably more of a habit than anything. I actually don't know how to. There must be a way to like add this as a dependency without. It's probably like cargo import. Is that a thing? Cargo use. Cargo. I'll just do add cargo add dependency. It's just cargo add. Okay. Cargo add. Request. Is it gonna get mad that this was open? Oh no, it's fine. Okay. And then here I need to, I think I also get thrown off a little bit because when I'm on my Linux laptop, I'm used to a different, like I switch between Mac and Linux a lot. And then it's like my keyboard has them switched all the time. And then I'm trying to figure out which one, like when I'm not on my Mac, I'm like, I don't know what is what anymore. The why really had me confused. I don't know what I did. I need to do LSP restart. Okay, now it's gonna be less upset. Okay, so here response is gonna be, I think that's actually pretty much the body, no? Body is body question mark. I've literally never seen this format before. Hold on. Have you guys ever seen this? We go 38. I also don't think I have much muscle memory for the... You guys ever seen that? I've never seen format with the question mark in there, which is funky. Cannot find value body. Is it going to be response? Oops, I can't type. Okay, request type annotations needed. The question mark operator can only be applied to values that implement try. Get request. Oh, I have to do request blocking. What do you mean? I already request blocking. Maybe I don't import it like that and I just use it like this. That could make sense. No? Could not find blocking. Do I have to do cargo add on that as well? What new Vim distro am I using? I'm using, this is Doom Emacs. You enable features directly with cargo through cargo add request, features blocking. Oh, that's so interesting. Okay, I did not know that. Okay, that and then blocking. Can I do, oh wait, hold on. It's probably like that. And then can I do features? Like, do I need to add the, oh, we'll see. I'll just, you know what? We will deal with things as they come. And then here it's still gonna, I'm gonna have to restart the workspace. All right, are you happy? Are you happy now? Not you. What font is this? It looks fun. I have a whole video actually on my fonts, my favorite fonts, because I feel like I have a handful of them that I love. I don't know if I have I think I have a command for it. Okay, this one is Terminus Nerd Font, but I should link that video because it's like basically my top 5 favorite fonts. Check the cargo.toml at the end to see the full feature list. Okay, I will. Oops, I think, what did I do? Oh, that's why. Okay. This is so interesting. I didn't know this format, this syntax. Okay, in println Rust, referencing value directly. That's so interesting. Is that such a custom color palette theme? I like it. I think this, I can't remember if this is either Doom 1, which is like the default Doom Emacs theme, or it's Capuchin. That is debug formatting. Oh, okay. Oh, I think you're so right. I think we might have actually used that a little bit. Println. I want to see what it looks like. Okay. So maybe what we'll do is we have that. We haven't returned anything yet. So this is possibly going to return an error. Body is that, which I might actually have to see what that is. You know what? I'll just return a random city. Can I do city? Is it new? I'll just do London. Oh wait, I can just make it the name. Name. I'll just make up the temperature. Hello? I think temperature is numbers. I-32. Why do I have it as an I-32 and not a float? To be honest, I don't know why I did that. Unit of measure, we'll say Celsius. Celsius. Is it gonna be pissed? Mismatch types, it's a little pissed. I don't know. Don't think I need this. Hold on. I think you said that this should be an explicit type, but I think I did that wrong. Oh my god, I keep hitting the back instead of V. Okay. I will add down here though to be to-dos. Add explicit types to the enumerator. Oh, frick, I switched to Emacs mode. How did I do that? Okay, I'm good. We got it. I think I did Control Z and it brought it back. Arguments, consider borrowing here. Arguments to this function are incorrect. The fuck? What the fuck you mean? Do I have to do like an I32 wrap on this? We'll say 23. Expected function. What the frick? What do you mean expected function? What did I do here? This ain't looking good. Okay, so does that. How do I avoid needing to write crate? Yeah. I think that must be the... Is that the problem? I can't remember. Okay, expected results, city... Frick, I can't remember how to do this. Expected and string. Found string. Oh, I see. What is this? Like, do I just do like two? I don't remember how to convert this. Maybe I just make it a string. I don't even know why I had this as... Okay. Me forgetting everything about that I learned. What could go wrong? I think that's not what I meant to do. Maybe add a semicolon, it'll fix it. That didn't help. I don't know. Wait. Still mad. Expected function tuple or tuple variant found enum result. Oh, it's this I have to do. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. I remember now. God. Wrap it in okay. You were kind of right. I feel like I rarely used signed ins. Wait, really? Use and string in function signatures like that and string. Okay, wait. I'm gonna write that down. That seems like advice. Okay. Use and stir. I would also keep answer and just add and name. Okay. As ref. The best API is impl as ref string. Oh. Okay. Good to know. Temperature can be negative. Oh, you're so right. Why is it an I? You know what? I didn't think about these things. I forgot it gets cold. You're right. This should be a U. Oh, wait. Actually, I can probably change it. I don't think I have anything else that is an I32. I32, we'll change it to U32. And you were saying also that here it should be, what was it? In function signatures and string when storing in memory. Wait, in function signatures it should be, so it's here, sorry. And then 39, we go. Okay, now it's gonna be somehow less upset. Fields name and unit of measure never read. That's fine. It will eventually. I feel like city, I could also just do city.request. And then all we have is the name. We'll see. For structs, the field should be the owned type. The owned type usually. String is owned, and string can be a reference to a string. So usually struct should have a string. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm highlighting. I'll be highlighting everything chat's saying. That's so smart. Okay, structs should have the owned. Owned types. E.g. string is owned versus inster ref. It's in Kelvin. Oh no. Hey, guessing you wrapped the JetBrains tutorial. I almost finished it. I haven't fully finished it, but I wanted to move on to something new for you guys. So I'll be finishing it on my own. But again, this week I'm just a little bit more, like last week I got kind of hoed by my migraine stuff, and then I had other stuff I had to catch up on. So we're a bit behind on things, but that's okay. When I go highlighting my notes, I go multidimensional. That's what I'm saying. I32 is correct for negatives. Oh, you're so right. Unsigned versus signed. You're so right, brother. U32, I32. My bad. See, the brain cannot be braining on stream, TBH. It don't go. Okay. So let me try and do some kind of request. We'll do city. I feel like I could pretty much just do, can I copy this? And it returns. I mean, I feel like I should just be able to like city new NYC. Maybe I'll just do NYC as equal to request. We'll try it out. Oh, hello. New York. I don't know how this is going to work with spaces. I think I'm going to have to do, what is, what if there are spaces in the name? Like, I don't know what this geocoding API wants for New York. Isn't it like %20 or something? With spaces in URL. I could probably just do a little strings.replace something rather %20. Okay, let URL space 20. And then we'll just do a little can I just do name.replace? Self, P, and string. Whoa. Okay, replace name. Can I just do, wait, this is old, this is new. Replace old and new. Oh, I see. It's just space to, okay, I don't need the, I don't think I need to assign that to anything. It's just a mod, does it mutate it? Repeat as a pattern. Okay, it does replace this. So can I do, I don't think it's mutable. I'll just make this mutable. Function defined here. I don't know what other special things. was like, why is U32 signed? Yeah, no, you're right. Rox, thank you so much for the 7 stream streak. I appreciate that. I hope you're enjoying the streams. Thank you, thank you. I feel like Bash is making rapid progress. The structure of this is really taking advantage of how to leverage Rust data types. Let's freaking go. I actually really do think it helped this time to have a bit more of a structure for myself. Like, I feel like in the past, I've just been like, oh, I'll deal with it when I reach that crossroad. And this time I was like, okay, well, some people might want to follow along, so let me make a little video about what I'm planning on doing. So, you could just write let in front of the name to shadow the variable with a new value. Wait, you could just write let in front of name to shadow. Wait, what? To shadow the variable with the new value. You're saying this? To shadow it instead of having it mutate? Okay, but why would you want to avoid mutt? Maybe because weird ownership stuff? City named New 20 York is on return is something. Oh, true. Oh my God, you're so smart. Okay. We'll do let request. We'll do URL name or URL city. You're so right. Me not thinking about that. Me no think. We didn't need to do that. Okay, and then that creates a new one. You need to measure. Okay, and then another little to-do that we have is to set temperature in the new city from a response, which I don't know how to do. So we can do that. We have a request being used somewhere, which is fire. It hates this. What are you mad about? Oh, I see. Oops. Oh, wait, I could just make this an and string then. Wait, okay, that's... There's one thing that drives me kind of nuts about this editor sometimes. Okay, we're good. This one I can just do, you were saying and string is better. And then I'll just do name. Actually, I think that's fine. What is it mad about here? No field temperature on results, city request. From, okay. So let NYC is equal to request. We have to do a little match. I think it's match NYC. It's gonna be, if it's okay. I need it to help me with autocomplete. If it's okay. I forget. It's fine. We'll figure it out slowly but surely. If it's okay. Oh, right. I have to like say what the value is. Oh, whoa. Skill issues. Whoa. On full blast. Okay. Then we return then I want like a let match met. I can't remember how to do that. Wait. Let match Rust. I'm not a robot, but maybe I'm a little bit. Yeah, I'll change. Oh, that's why. Thank you. Oh, you're so right. Also, it needs to be this. Oh, wait, it needs to be mismatch types. Yeah. If it's error, then we basically want to short circuit. Oh, I could just wait. Do I have to do any of this? I think I can just do that. No, I can't. What's it mad about? What are you mad about? It will only be used in a function that returns result or option. Doesn't this return a result? Did I mess it up? Can I use this as returns? Oh, am I being goofy? Remove the semicolon to return this value. What? This should return result, no? Am I goofy? Can I use a question mark operator function that just returns empty? Main by default is void. Oh, right. I forgot. Okay, yeah. Oh, I can't remember how we did this. I think it was literally just with a match. But I gotta look at this. Oh, if let is the other one. If let some. Okay, I see. Max is max. Do I have to do this? Match. Okay, I'll just do that. And then I want it to, I guess, return. I could probably just do like a little warning thing of like, invalid city or invalid request. And then, wasn't something like that? How do I? It was something like this for the debug. Expected city found what? Error? How long am I going to be streaming for? Not too long. I am going to be doing this, which is apparently just nothing. Oh, I hated that. Incompatible types. Oh, I need to use the debug. Hold on. Isn't it like something debug? I gotta look. This thing has it somewhere. Mankios, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Oh, the error case is called error, not okay. I do think there's some kind of derived debug. Okay, that's what it was. Debug. No? The freak? Oh, derive is lowercase. Right? Oh. It's okay, we'll figure it out. We'll see what happens. Unknown format trait. Should I just do... Don't know. Hold on, we're so close. This is helping slightly. To some, if it's option, it's some or none. If it's this, it's error and error. Exit / return the program. So I wanted to print and then return. It was kind of my, this would be panic error message. Oh, okay, true. But it's still, oh, I guess I can just do this. I can just format it. It's still mad. String. What is mismatch types? Mismatch type expected empty found city. I don't know what this wants. I should actually get the. I do have to figure out how to like check all of my. Oh wait, you know what? I have. Consider using a semicolon here for 18. Oops. It's honestly probably what. You're so right. I did forget the semicolon after the match, Taywin. No. What are you doing with the bell that's being returned by the match? I'm trying to maybe assign it to NYC. On type results. Okay. So this is still result. So I want this to be. Okay. Here, you know what? We're going to change this. It's going to be result. This is also going to be result. And then I'm going to say I got to probably put it in the scope. Let NYC. Am I getting a string? It's a city? I forget how to do type declaration. TBH. I need to make it. And then we do NYC. Is that working? Okay, it seems less upset, which is good. Oh shit, it hates a lot of things though. URL city should have a snake case name. Oh, you're right. I'm writing things like it's Go. Okay, you're right. Oh wait, that's my bad. That was the wrong thing. Oh. Okay. You can bind value from the match statement. I feel like I can, right? I can't remember how to do that though. Oh, let NYC. Oh, that's what it was. Wait, let NYC equal match. I see. Okay, that's kind of what I was looking for, was this let match thing. I just forgot how to do it. Let NYC's match is also an option. Okay. Let else with an early return can allow for short-circuiting logic. Wait, let. You can also do if let OK city result to only handle the positive path. That one I was aware of, but I feel like I should probably have something. Or just expect. I'm trying to remember. Oh my God, I forgot about this. Panics with a custom message provided by the developer. I forgot. You're so right. I need to find out. Where am I? Hello? I'm goofy. That's what. I'm looking for expect. There we go. Panics with that. Okay, so you're right. I could just do that. I could do that and then dot expect. But I want to get the output of the result. Can I do that? No, expect I think just gives, it's just a string. I think I remember that from when he was teaching me that. Okay. We'll just keep our little match result situation going on. Okay, so this is also just using a random boilerplate thing because I actually need it to print the results here. Is there anything else that's going to stop this from working? Name and unit measure never read, from Celsius never used, that is fine. Fahrenheit is never constructed, also fine. Oh wait, okay, Cake is also saying let okay val result else return early. Ooh, okay. I like this. Okay, wait, where did I even put that little match? I'm gonna comment this out as one option. Hello? Okay, option A is this. Otherwise, we can also do, you were saying let okay val equal result. Let okay val equal result. Else return early. Also try out warn clippy pedantic at the top of your main are asking if useful hints for language. Okay, that's also super helpful. Thank you, Chad. It's very nice, thank you. I appreciate you guys being so helpful and cool and supportive. I think this is the most S tier programming community of all time, potentially. I don't know if I put it right here or somewhere else, but I'm gonna try it here and see what happens. Okay, warn, and then we'll do clippy pedantic. The top, it's probably like up here even. Okay, I hated that. Expected item. Oh, it's this way. Oh. I'm gonna actually, okay, get helpful. Wait, what did I do? I went Emacs mode. Hello? You're not gonna delete that? Okay. I just got confused. Cannot find value NYC in the scope. 25. Oh, right. You were saying I could do the let else doesn't get you the error message. Yes, that is also true. I think that I like the match. I think I like the match solution. I think this is good. This feels nice. Okay, so we're gonna do that. We're getting a little match-a-rooski. We're gonna get it printing the result so that we can try and extract some of this stuff. I don't know anything about how to read JSON in Rust as well, which is gonna be fun. And then I also need to remember how to run this, which I think is just cargo run. This is a very long compile time for such a little baby of a project. Match will always work for any deconstructing, which is nice for refactoring. Yeah. Holy shit. Did you just give me everything? That's a huge depth list. Yeah, I think we need to do something else. This is crazy. New York, latitude. I think I made this up. I think this is just returning. Okay, I need latitude, longitude. Oh my God, I got so overwhelmed for a sec there. I was like, I don't. City of York, York, etc. Oh. Oh. Okay. Body, results, ID, name. I need like an exact match, basically. You have a print for body, yeah. So I think I'm pretty much just looking for, it's gonna have ID, name. I need exact match. Just wrong API you queried. Yeah. I need to get the latitude and longitude first to get. Okay, so this is gonna be lat long response. So it's gonna be that, and then I need to get body is response, lat long response. So I need lat long response. I need to get, okay, here's what I need to do. We need to, okay, get the item where name is exactly, I can't type, it's fine. New York. And then grab lat long. And then I have to query the other API with the latitude and longitude. Okay, wait, where did I just go? Okay, grab lat long. Okay, query second API with that. Okay. Oh dear. Why Rust? I think Rust is just a very pragmatic choice right now. This looks crazy. Maybe it's already sorted by mass match. It could be. There are multiple places named New York. What? There's multiple cities named New York? No, this was just showing, I think, a lot of results. Why is Kentucky here? This is what I want to know. City of York, Nebraska. Huh? I need an exact match. And I think I can fix that. I think we can do this. Do your eyes hurt when reading terminus font? I don't think so. Maybe that's my problem. Okay. So this response, lat long response. How do I, okay, this is a text. Okay, wait. Rust handle JSON body. With request. JSON deserializes JSON into a user struct. Can I get like a... Okay, so I can create a struct and deserialize into that. I mean, I could add it into my little city struct potentially. I don't know what happens. Wait, what is... I think it's... like float? Oh wait. I think everything is a string. Where even are you? Yeah, so it's a float. Okay, so I'll try and do that. Then I can apparently do derive deserialize. And then I have to add it. Wait, with serde, I don't know if I need to do that all that. Curate rec. You do have to do all that? Is this Rust? I just found the channel. Yeah, we're just learning. Check serde feature flags. I do. There is a 50% chance you'll get the temperature from New York, Ukraine. That's, I didn't even know. That's interesting. Is this Visual Basic? No, this is Rust. Send await.json. Okay, it doesn't really give you much. Manual parsing, you need the raw text first. You can do await and then serde to JSON from string. Okay, so I do actually need to do that. No, I don't want to. Okay. I think I pretty much also for this one, I feel like I just need to get. Is that right? Is it gonna be pissed? Use item, unused import. What did I use you for? Request, blocking, get. Can I, because I might just make this fewer depths. Unused import, that's fine. I think that'll be better. Okay. I think that means it only imports a small amount. You need serde crate for deserialize. Okay, so what do I need to do here? Client get JSON user. Okay. I think I only need serialize. I'm not doing anything else. And then I'm gonna have to cargo add serde. I think. Oh, oops. Okay, and then I think I have to reload this. We're slowly but surely figuring it out. Request JSON builder can serialize? Oh, that's what I was trying to figure out, but I didn't think so. Wait. Wait, user client. Okay, wait. Oh wait, I think I'm goofy. Sometimes my brain is. There's a chance I goof. Okay, wait, I meant deserialize. Inverse operation, reconstructing original object or data structure from the serialized format so it can be used in memory. Okay, yeah, that's what I meant to do. I need deserialize, not serialize. It's only a trait. Turn rest into JSON string, deserialize, turn JSON string into, you can also implement custom serializer and deserializer. I think for now I'll leave it. Cannot derive macro. What? Cannot find deserialize. Am I mistyping this? What are you mad about? Unused import. Deserialize. I don't know if I need. We'll see. It's dir. Already covers a lot. Started basically in every REST project. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, okay, I gotta figure out how to do this. Deserialize, async. I'm not doing anything async. JSON and user, but that's JSON. So I get this. I get it as text. Maybe I can do. Can I do JSON and do in city? I don't think it's gonna be. No, because I gotta get a match on it first. How do I filter this down? Okay, so JSON response. In Rust, oh, I did that. Okay. JSON, serde JSON filter matches. Assert matches is filter. Interesting. Okay. So name. Can I just do this? Found for struct blocking response. No, okay. With async get request? Or sorry, with sync. With blocking. Just JSON will work? It says it doesn't. But not yet. Uh-oh. I'm missing feature flags. That is possible. Serde JSON value. Serde JSON. Features derive? Oh my god. Do I need... Oh, there's a chance I need to get response.json. Oh, is it that I need to do for request? Is that a thing? Request blocking get that. JSON? Is that a thing? I can't tell. No. Maybe I'll just... And then I don't. Okay, so then I can do that, and then apparently maybe this. Okay, it's not mad now. And then now we have a JSON, which means that we can deserialize directly into the struct. That's JSON, sunset JSON. Okay, and then now I can possibly do my little match things that I want to do, which I lost that tab, I think. Okay. Filter, JSON response, serde, Rust. Now you want to type annotate your let so it knows to deserialize into. I don't even know what it's. Oh, I see. So this would be city, and then it would deserialize into city. But I think I need to filter it first, because it's kind of crazy. Into iter item. Filter active items. I don't think that's what I want to do. Serde filter. I think I want to do that. Jesus Christ, why is it so hard? That's what I'm saying. Also, it's skill issue. Let's be so real. I'm so new here. Okay. Serde JSON. Okay, so this JSON has JSON, and it's looking for match. Match.new. Vec. Okay. I had a better example before. Filter. Wait, where the? I don't even. Response JSON. Maybe I forgot what I was trying to do, or like the. Okay, deserialize into generic JSON value, and then you could filter it. Post with the right. I want where the name. What are these unhinged JSON comments? Wait, where? Oh wait, if you want to unwrap some wrapper response object, you can work directly with unparsed JSON values. Yeah, I can. It is also Shift K. It doesn't know what this is, which is expected. Okay, I gotta figure out what I can do here. Sort of filter. Blocking. Response.data. Looking, get that JSON. Okay, so this is one way that they're saying you can do it. We'll try it. I'm copying what it says. So this is basically creating a vector of some arbitrary type response data into iter is what it's saying. And we're gonna do dot filter which is, we'll do for this city, we'll do, I think it was, I think it literally was city.name. I want it to equal New York. It's pissed. This needs to be that long. So this apparently I can do off of, so filtered, it's a vector. Okay, and then we can just print this. We'll print it and see what happens. Because this, I think I need to play with it and just see what happens. Okay, this is debug printing. Okay, we'll try, oh, it's pissed with all this stuff still. What are you mad about? Oh, I see. Latitude, we'll just make it 0. I think I need like a, oops, this is, I need something else to state when this is unset. This requires you to do some sort of deserializable city struct. Yeah, so I think I'll do that, but I want to filter it first and then deserialize it is kind of what I think. This is fake video. No AI chat. You can't filter without a struct. Oh. So is this going to be a problem? Consider importing one of these. Oh, I deleted the import. Why would I have to do this separate though? I can't remember. Remove the whole use item. Okay, this I will comment out for now, I guess. I'm not using it yet. What? Type annotations needed. Oh, I see. I have to do this? Shit. I don't remember what it's... Alright, this ain't looking good. This ain't looking good. I don't think this is... Oh, I guess it could be a vector. No, it's not gonna... I don't really know. API response is a vector of cities, I guess. Okay, we'll try that. Vector of cities. It's a vector of cities. No, hold on. Oops. This one is going to be a vector. Right? I can't type. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's a skill issue that I live with. Oh, right. I'm sorry. I'm writing Go. Okay. So there's that. And then there's also derive, deserialize. So I think this, apparently I need this. Why is it not satisfied? What the frick do you want from me? Deserialize DE is not satisfied? I'm gonna have to satisfy that. I'll have to look at what that means. get pissed. Straight bound. Oh, frick. Okay, so it's mad about unit of measure. It means city needs to deserialize and now unit. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. So I can do this and then I can derive deserialize for unit of measure, which will be, I don't know if, so just let me no field data on type city. I think, yeah. That's because this is now going to be response. Filtered. Is it still going to be a coordinate response? You probably want city coordinates struct to extract just the lat long of the city from the API. Coordinate struct. And just the... Okay. I don't know. We're just gonna run it and see what happens. Yeah, not sure if your city struct matches the API response with the unit of measure. I think unit of measure. No, it doesn't. I mean, can some of it not serialize? Never read. Like, do I have to do unit of measure? Does it have to satisfy all of them? The Geo API, is it gonna be mad? I think I'm gonna run it and see what error I get. We'll just see what happens. That's why the other recommender, the other chatter recommended doing. Oh, you're so right. Wait, from Celsius never used. That's fine. Has a derived implementation for the. Okay. Code panicked. Or a decoding response body. Okay. I think you're right. Okay. So I need to do that's kind of annoying. TBH. Kind of annoying. Okay, so I guess I'll do struct a vector of city coordinates. And then I'll just do latitude. It'll be name as well. Name. I think this is, I don't really know. We're just doing float 32s for everything. Everything's a freaking float 32, okay? That, and the result is going to be a city. I don't necessarily need those anymore. We'll see. Derive deserials on A and A uses type B. It'd be so easy in Python. We're just trying to figure out. What are you mad about? Never read? City.name, we collect that. Filtered should be a vector of 1. Maybe I can do, can I do a filter? Can you filter into a hash map? Or JSON into hash map, and then I can just check if New York is there. I feel like that'd be easier. Type JSON string. Type token. Okay. JSON. Okay, wait, I need this in Rust. JSON to hash map. JSON string results as a hash map of string value. I feel like this could be good. Is it necessary? I feel let some KV. Filter. I mean, for arrays to iterators and objects to hash maps. Okay. Yeah, you want to use your, you're mixing through different abstractions while learning. Yeah, I'm just trying to, something like this, map, city, clone, city. I think you're right. Checked pinned, oh. Okay. First learn how to get that response first. First get the model right, paste the API here. Oh, interesting, okay. Copy back the types and then learn how to get the response first. Copy or paste the JSON. Oh, I see. Interesting. Oh, this is a really good resource. Hold on. I'm going to put that in the Discord. Composable instructs. No model the struct is. Yeah, that's actually insane. S tier. Okay. So I do have to paste that. Okay, app.quicktime.io. I think it's this one. Oh. Right. Rest. Okay, I need this to. There we go. Okay, wait. I think there's a chance that this thing output in a way that is not awesome. Is it good? No character. Switching a semicolon. Frick. Okay, I think the Emacs terminal gave me a bunch of like these escape characters without. Okay, hold on. Yeah. I could just that long response. Wait, I think I can just do what this. Okay, and then this I'll just okay, I'll just do that, and then I'll run it in an actual. I'll run it in Kitty. Shit. Oh no. It's because I changed too many things and I didn't commit anything. What have I done? I've created a monster. Okay, I think it's this one. What did I change? What is it mad about? The thread panicked, decoding response body. What are you trying to decode? I'll just do text, I think. I don't know where. Oh, I do have it here. Hold on. It could be from this, is my guess. I'm not even using these anymore. Wait. Can I comment that out? Actually, I'll just. It's gonna be. Oh wait, you need to remove the. Oh, I didn't know that would be the cause. Request has incompatible types. Okay, maybe it wasn't this. Serialized, deserialized, owned. Oh, so wait, it does need that? Fuck. This is so annoying. Hello? So what is the problem? Measured. Debug info, freezing point, thread is panicking, response body, 21. I just want the text of this. I think it was just incompatible types. Oh, this is because I had a whole wait. No, I didn't have the match case here. It was up there. What are you mad about? Coordinate response. I think it's, oh, it's because I added a type here probably. Can I just do that? Okay, here we go. Evil. Oh my God, thank God. It worked. Oh my God, my sanity. Okay. This is so much better. Okay, welcome. Struct welcome result. Country. Wow. Feature code. I think I can just do, okay. Holy smokes, that was crazy. Okay. Welcome is a result of vector. So the coordinate response is a results. This is so good. This is so helpful. Okay, results is going to be a vector of results. Generation time. Don't care about that, so I'm just going to ignore that. Is a vector of result, and then the results. We're going to make this change that. Hello. And this is, I'm just going to copy this. All right, and everything's not public by default in Rust. Okay. Okay, so these I don't care about. I pretty much don't care about most of these. Country is a whole other thing. Might need that. Do I? Oh, okay, hold on. You're right. Okay, coordinate response is, I'll just make it data. Data. Postcodes, don't care. Population could be fun, but I don't think that matters. Country ID. Time zone, also don't care. Oh wait, I did need country postcodes. Doesn't it? Oh no, this is just latitude, longitude is really just what I need. I'm just gonna, what is country ID? Do I have that? Country code? I think it's fine. I think we're brave. My programming socks are arriving on Monday. Let's freaking go. Okay. Stop. No. Okay, we're fine. Okay. Example coordinate. Response, which I find having these kind of responses in my code kind of helpful when I need it for something like this. Kind of nice. Where even am I? Okay. And then I can do lat long response is gonna be coordinate response. I think I'll just change this to okay. This is expected. Yeah. This is also gonna be JSON. And then this is gonna be mad. 'Cause it doesn't do display. Which is fine. Okay, so we have that JSON now, so it's gonna be coordinate response. It's gonna ideally get all of that data into everything. This needs to be public probably, is why this was getting mad. Oops. This as well, that's my guess. If it's anything like Go, you have to have those public. What's wrong with this? Fields result is never read. Do all of these need to be? Theirs are all doing serialize and deserialize. You need to use debug to print. Yeah. Use Helix. Oh no. No. I can't jump in. I can't change editors. I'm too locked in. Okay, so then coordinate. Let's see what it response dot results. Okay, so here is where I can do a filter on the results. Oh my god, this is, you know what? We are out here. We're freaking learning some stuff. But I can probably just do, instead of filter, can I just do map? And then not do that, and then do that. And then it's gonna be my like my autofill is autocomplete is trying to into iter. I think this is already, oh wait, no, I have to do it into an iterator. No, map, I can just do, right? No method map for struct. Really? No method map for struct. For struct of vector data, not an iterator. Oh, I do have to call it into iter. Okay, my bad. Now what? What are you mad about? Expected. Oh, I see. Right? No. What is this map gonna give me? Oh, I have to do map and then collect. Okay. Right? Cannot be built from an iterator over elements of type bool. Map city dot. What? I think I literally need to. Okay. I think I need to look again at what map does. That's my bad. My bad. I don't know. Yeah, I forgot. It's fine. They're basically statically wrapping structs over and over. Map changes a type. Oh, that's messed up. Filter since you're matching a Boolean condition. You guys are smart. Did you know that? Okay, clear this. Now I gotta print filtered. If that works, that'll be huge. I don't think I have caps lock enabled. I might keep. Oh no, I think it ran fine in vterm. Me spawning a new vterm every single time that I run this project is a little bit crazy. Let's freaking go. Okay. Why are there? Uh-oh. This is messed up. Try that or debug for fancy printing. Told ya. Freaking Lem with the I told you. Listen, sometimes I'm just freaking wrong. God damn it. No. Brick. Okay, that's fine. So request, we'll do, maybe we do name and country. What a pain. Maybe we just do it based on the, you know what? Maybe we do it on population. Maybe we should just do it like the most, it's only the biggest cities of all time. I don't care. It's only the big ones. No, that's kind of cursed. We should probably choose a country. Fine. We'll choose a country. Forcing my hand. Country. Okay, and then I have to do another pub. You're not seeing any of this. Okay, you don't see my typos. They don't exist in the real world. And then this is a whole other thing. I think it was an enum. It is an enum. Why would it be a struct? Girl. Okay, so the only options we have Jamaica. So, wait. United Kingdom. Oh, I see. I was like, is it renaming Jamaica to United Kingdom? But it's not. We've reached that point. Okay, girls. Just don't know what's going on. This is interesting. United Kingdom. Wow. Okay. So funky. Cannot find attribute serde. Serde. Deserializes. Are you mad? You're missing the derive. Oh my god, you're so smart. Goddamn. My bad. This is fun. Okay. Country, country. And we're gonna have to eventually rename. What if, you know what, they have to give a country. Otherwise we're disowning them. Okay. Then the country is also it's messed up. City.name and country. Can I do that? Can I do this? Is camera desync with the displays or input lagging? Honestly, I have no idea. Do you need a city name? A city name from a locale time zone? Actually, a time zone could work. I don't know. Not everyone's gonna know time zone. City.country. Otherwise, you're entering it's the parameter for it. Oh, you're right. Wait, filter city. Wait, can I do multiple things here? Yeah. And then that. Is that right? Country unknown. What do you mean no content at point? I'm on a point that had content. What do you want from me? I don't know how to do this. United States? Just a weather app, basically. Okay, wait. Filter on multiple fields. Rust. Oh, you have to do 2 filters? Passes only one of the items. Wait, each filter passes only the items to the next stage. Chained. Okay, so you can do chained. And item.field2. I see. Okay. Well, maybe I'll just do it chained. And this I just, so apparently you can just do that. No method contains from reference and data in the, filter item, vector of data. Do I have to do data dot city? Wait, where the frick did I put data? Oh, here. Name country. This. I don't know how to filter with this. Yeah, country dot what? ID, country. No. What am I looking for? I need to be able to, can they, the city is data? What the frick? Why did I do that? Okay, my bad. Oh wait, this would be data.city, right? Field city. Okay, you're right. I'll keep it city, and we'll do. Okay, you guys, my bad. I got confused. It's equal to what? What am I trying to filter? What am I trying to filter? I want it to just. This is only gonna make it work with New York. Okay, I have to filter the city name. This is fine. Oops. Not that. It's fine. I'm just... Cannot be applied to type country. Can I... How does it unmarshal JSON into an enumerator? How does Rust? Can you use the name and country parameters in the filter too? Oh yeah, I think I do. Yeah. Tag equal type. Wait, what? Oh, so is it gonna be like something like that? No. Expected function found the enumerator. I don't know how I'm supposed to match this because I don't know how. You can just turn the country into a string in the first place. Enum is weird for a country anyway. This is what I was saying. Rename. But it is doing serde rename. So wouldn't that serde rename? Can you do equality? Okay, wait. You check on. Website doesn't actually understand the data. Okay, fair. I keep them as strings. Okay, you kind of right. All right, fine. We just do string. that'll work. Okay, I gotta end stream soon as well. But we've done some stuff, which is good. We've done a non-zero amount of things, which is progress. Here we go. This should nicely work now, though. Okay, New York, country, United States, but it's still, why is it giving like a million? These are all United States. I think I don't care. Are we printing too soon? Oh, wait, no, I don't think so. Maybe we are. No, because these all match the country. These are all US and New York. Did you want, we're trying to, okay. This is actually kind of intriguing to me. Okay, I need to see the population one that they have on here. They had a population, which I think was what type? Population was an option of int64. Okay, well. We're gonna run this because what the frick is actually this? What is this API? Oh, it hated that. Okay. 48. We might actually have to do this with like population in mind. Population none. Yeah, okay. I think we're gonna have to factor in the population too. This is very funny. There's some city that's like in every state. No, that's evil. Wait, needs a population. Okay, so maybe we can do that as well. The city.name, and then the and we also need to do basically a match that can I do this? Population? Is that a condition? Frick, it's not. Curious, how do I do that? Boolean check on a if matches. Some true. Oh shit, my bad. Okay, so there's a thing here. And I can do the option, and then I need some. Is that how that works? No, expected I 64. Oh, I guess I could just do not matches none. Right? If let some val equal all val is that. I just want to make it non. I think I can literally just do not matches is right. I think that might work. Finally. That's crazy. Admin 1 will give you New York instead of city name. Oh, city.population is some. Oh, okay, okay. I will say that is probably slightly less cursed to read. You're so smart. Dang. Chat be knowing shit. I'll say it. You guys just know things. Missing open. Oops. Yeah, what are you mad about? Okay, well, that's better. You can filter map, match it to the country enum variance, but you change it to a string. Oh, you can use a filter underscore map and match it to the country enum variance, but you change it to a string. Thing is I think it's probably better as a string, and then I gotta check if, okay, check probably length of the vector, then grab first value of the vector. It's probably my guess. So we can do filtered length. Then we'll do value we want. We can do let city is will be filtered index 0. And then we can do city. Oh wait, we can't do that yet. We gotta use the, okay, we need to do, Actually, it doesn't matter, because I'm gonna create a city new temperature. We don't know yet. Unit of measure. We don't know yet. Can I just do none? Can I make it? I think it's an option, right? I can make it an option. I'll just add that as a to-do. Well, it's pretty much we're never gonna create it and also know the temperature and unit of measure, which is kind of a thing. So I guess we could also just do temperature. Like we can just make these nothing. Can I just not do that? Latitude. Do the same thing and not collect into a vector. Return filtered.next. Oh, you're so smart. Filtered.next. You're so freaking smart. And not collect, right? Because it's iter. Yeah. Filter. And then this is going to be just an iterator. Oh shit, no, that's not it. Okay, so then I can get filter. It's pissed. What are you mad about? Down filter, dynamic. Filter into it, or okay, whatever. Fine, you don't get a type. You don't get a type. And we can do next. So this is next is gonna be an option. And then I can do, oh wait, it can be something like, I gotta do the check. Check if, okay, wait. Let and, wait, check and assign option res. If let some. Okay. Okay, so if it has something, otherwise it's pissed. Comma. Option some. Yeah, look at chat. It shows if let some. Is there a semantic difference between next and find? Filter.next.unwrap. Filtered next to unwrap. Interesting. I mean, yeah, if I unwrap it, it'll panic, right? You can do if let some x. That's what I was doing. Wait. If let some filter.next. I thought it was results. I don't need this. Expected a pattern, found an expression. Missing a block after the condition. Okay, that. Do not, like, basically I just want it to probably, I guess, just assign. And then I can do else. Yeah, ignore how ugly this is. Then I want to say that invalid city or country or no. I can just say no results found. No results found. Okay, now what's the problem? Expected a pattern, found an expression. If let. If. Is some. If filter.next to is some. Can I do that? No, it's pissed. Expect a pattern expression. Cannot find value result in the scope. Okay, maybe I'm doing this backwards. I thought. Oh. Why? Oh, sorry guys, was I ignoring? If let some result filtered next. Some result. Oh. Filter.next. Let some. Okay, so this would be some. They're screaming into the void. If let some result. That work. Look up find. Unwrap or will not panic. You set a default value. What? You can use a map instead of if let. You can use map? What? You're saying I can do this? That? What the frick does it want with this? I can't remember what map does. It takes one argument. What do you want from me? Map takes self and F. What is F? Right, it's one. Wait. Guys, I don't remember. Find on a vec. There's too many people. There's too many people talking right now. It's too loud. I can't do it. F is a function, usually an anonymous. Oh, right. Oh, God, I forgot. You're so right. I think this looks great. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what the problem is. This looks awesome. I think this might be the best Rust code you've ever seen in your life. I don't know what's going on. I can contribute nothing. It is right. Let expect its filter.next.expect. You're so smart. Oh, you're right. Because right now I don't need to do anything. I just want it to be like, hey. No, but expect is going to make it panic. Which I don't think I want. But I could also make it panic. You know what? Fuck it. We make it panic. Fuck it. We ball. You know what? And then I can just make this let result. No. Don't worry, I can fix this. I got semicolons in my back pocket. Don't even freaking worry. Don't even freaking worry. We got this. This is the most peaceful coding of all time. We got this. It's just so good. Okay. So now we have a result, which means we can create a new city and take over the world, aka this. F32. I think at this point, wait. Will it let me just do that? No, it freaking hates that. Okay, that's fine. Can I do these ones as named? I don't think you can mix named and unnamed. I can't remember. Okay, well. Temperature. And then what else was it? I think we'll default to Celsius. Or I could make it none or something like that. Don't worry, guys. This is looking really good. Temperature's an int? I think we've been over this. And I was like, this should not be an int. We're going to change it to a float. And it's going to ruin everything. Frankly, it is going to ruin everything. Okay, so we can do result.latitude. I mean, I could also wait and not be the worst. It's fine. We'll fix it. You know what? We don't need to prematurely optimize anything. We can write garbage code and it's fine. And that's what we're going to do. And you're going to like it. Okay. We're going to do that. It hates this. It hates this probably mostly because I don't have a semicolon. Expected, found F64. Did I put F64 somewhere? Why? We don't need that many. How long do you think these are? Yo, actually we could. There's a chance we could need that many. I forgot. We'll see. We'll see. You know what? Sometimes we gotta hurt. Sometimes we gotta feel something. Option field is good if you want it to be skippable. Yes, I think you're right. For what it's worth, I don't think I need to create these. I don't need to do this. It's fine. You know what? We query the second API. Let's just freaking send it. Okay. Let's do function request temp. Request weather. Oh wait, this is actually, we can just do latitude and longitude. Can I just do this and then make it like a, is it gonna like that? I think it hated that. So I think we won't do that. This returns, I could just get it to return the weather, the temperature, which is just going to be that. And then we'll fix the other request function that is terrible and evil next time that I touch this project. All right, so now we got to do another little request to Ruski, which is going to be with, we can do, oh. So we'll do this, we'll do down here. I just need this guy. Hello? Are you gonna let me do anything? Okay, so we'll do that, and we'll do latitude is that, longitude is, oh god, it's potentially negative. Is, you know what, you're kind of right. Latitude on longitude. Latitude, longitude, and attitude. That's what we're working on here. Okay, so that's gonna give us something. We now have to figure out what that request looked like to do. I don't know what that looked like. So we have a thing, and then we can return, we'll just do 0.0 for now because I don't know what that looked like. We can do that. We can do is this gonna make it print? Did I have to do format last time? I actually can't remember. No, that's not it. We gotta, we're still missing stuff. We gotta do the little, whoa. We gotta do this. Beep, beep. We're gonna take that, and we're gonna plop it in here. And this is gonna be weather. And this is gonna be something we don't know yet. And then we're gonna request format. Why you mad? I probably have to implement something for this. And I think I can just do text. You're still mad. Oh, is it? Oh, because it's expecting. Okay, we got to do it as a result. It's going to be F32 or an error. And then now it's not mad. And then we need to do print line. This. And we can do that. I don't know if this works. Return. Oh, I can just do what? Some. Can I just return none? Is that no, sum and none is the wrong one. Hold on. I'm in the wrong dimension over there. Okay. Right? Okay, you're fine. Okay, so I need to do request weather. So basically what I could do is probably change this to request something else. Results city area. What the fuck you want from me? My body has no tail. Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I'll do this. I'll probably have another function that is just request that has the name. Request name. I still need actually that signature, I think, to be the same. Request coordinates. I do still need, well, I need the city, and then I also need, yeah, so I need all of that still. I can just yoink this, I think, and then just, this will probably potentially maybe be different. Is this gonna be different? Maybe. I think this one is probably just not gonna return a city. I think this can just return a tuple. You know what? Latitude, longitude should have been a tuple. To do, this should return results tuple 1 1 1 2 for lat long. Error is my guess. I think she knows this error. I don't know nothing. What if I know nothing? Okay, so that should be lat long, and then this will return a city. And here's where we will call, we'll get coordinates, get weather, return city data. That's what we do. That's what we do here. And then this, we can have a tuple of, I don't remember. Tuple, whatever you guys call it. DBG also, println filtered can be replaced with DBG filtered. Oh, for debug print. Okay. Or even F32 too. Wait, what? I'd love for her to use anyhow, but it's probably a thing for later. What is anyhow? I'm catching up. Dog paw hat. What about gratitude? You know what? You kind of right. Okay, I'll write down anyhow. Because I am so attentive to what the chat has to say. All right. Anyhow, what is this? The current lat long ripper is honestly fine. Okay. I was just thinking of returning. I want to return lat long for that one. So I'll probably just look at how to do that. I probably don't. You're right. Okay. I think I just needed to look at how to return a tuple. Return tuple rust. Tuple, tuple, whatever. Wait, so I can do this? No, because that's going to be... Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. I can just do this. F32 map. Okay, I'll just do that. That's also freaking... I did the wrong one. Return weather. Weather is going to be an F32. I need it to be the request coordinates. This one's F32, F32. And then, okay, that's fine. Don't need to go crazy on that. So then this I'll do request coordinates, name country. And this is gonna be, I have to do some kind of like match on that to check if it's value match. It's I can't remember. It's fine. Don't worry about it. We'll figure it out. I think it's gonna be match. Right? Me already forgetting how to do matches. I literally just did one. Let MIC is equal to match result. There we go. Okay. Okay. then it would be a sum of that. Otherwise, it's going to be an error. We're going to do what? Do I care? If I couldn't get the coordinates, then I'm okay to make it panic, which means that I don't necessarily need to do this. I can just do that dot, okay. Enable coordinates. Okay, unable to get coordinates. Otherwise I have coordinates, which I should make. Is this gonna make this like a sum type? Can I just make this F32? Is that gonna work? Okay. It's working? Maybe? Naming things is hard. Do I have to do, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna see what happens. Lat long. I hated that. Okay, I don't know how to do wait. We're so close. We're so close. We did it. We're so close. We have lat long. We're gonna get those. We're gonna get the weather. So we can do request weather. Then we can do lat long. Okay, or I can just not type anything, which is fine too. I didn't need that. And this one is also, I think I'll just dot expect. Okay. Request weather expected. I don't know why it's so mad. Let request, because I didn't give it any. Okay. Weather, I think, actually does give me a city. And then I can return the city. Oh, wait, did I make request weather? No, request weather just gives me the temperature. And then I can do a city, do create. And then this should be name, lat, long, country. I can't remember what else I have in there. Oh, not country. We don't need that. Name, lat, long, temp. What else is there in the city? What else do you want from me? Lat, long, unit of measure. Oh, frick, I do need a unit of measure. Okay, there's a chance. I need to return a temperature. I need to return string. Temperature. This is a problem for future me. We can end stream now. You should probably read about this error. Okay, I will. I do still have some stuff I need to do for like the Rust project. Okay, I'll look at this error. It's like anyhow, but more static. Okay. All right, you. Gotta go. I just want to end stream. I don't feel like coordinating raids. I'm lazy. Sorry, guys. So I'm just going to end stream. But thank you guys so much for hanging out. I really appreciate it. This was very fun, very productive. I feel like I learned a lot from all of you. So thank you very much for sharing all of your tips and tricks. This was fun to try some new stuff. Just getting some of the basics going. and it's very fun. I'm going to reschedule the stream, tomorrow's stream. I'm going to do it on Friday instead. I had something come up, so I'm going to have to do that on Friday. So it'll be 12 p.m. on Friday. I'll update the event on Discord. Don't forget to join the Discord if you want to be part of that. All right. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday instead of tomorrow. Goodbye. See you.